And we're back to learning Illustrator in year day 175. Let me show you the symbol styler tool. It's the last symbol tool that we've got here in this toolbox. As always, we need the symbols menu and the sprayer first. Then I size it up using the symbol sizer. And for the styler, we need another menu. That is the graphic styles menu, because the styler tool can apply graphic styles to your symbols. We pick this one, for example, I left click and there you go. You can also combine these. So the graphic styles can basically be mixed. Some will overblend, like for example here this grayish to black. This overblends the other textures that we had here. There is an inbuilt library, but you can't use that. So here, for example, textures or neon outlines, and you will not be able to apply them to symbols. It's only the specific graphic styles menu that you can use. And as I've said, you can combine them. So it makes a difference in which order you apply these graphic styles. I press Ctrl Z here and I apply the last one again, and you can see it looks now a little bit different. So keep the order in mind when you apply it. So as I've said, that was the last tool for the symbols here. Therefore, we're going to move on to the next tool in the next video. I hope this one was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.